I want to welcome you to our 2023 National Teacher Institute.
Preserve, educate, and inspire. And the marquee education event for the American Battlefield Trust is its annual Teacher Institute, where teachers from around the country will come together for days of workshops, field trips, and the chance to talk and listen to some of the best experts in the field of history.
I just want to thank everybody for coming down here to Baltimore.
My grandmother was a teacher, and she used to say, if you dare to teach, you can't stop learning. And that's one of the things that the Trust helped me do.
So much of history, if we try, can be related to kids' everyday lives.
We focus on America's first century, and we're not just talking about bullets and battlefields. We're talking about the people who were involved.
It really is just a moment for me to become a student.
This is invaluable to me. I don't have to do anything other than learn, and it's an incredible opportunity.
I'm always looking to broaden my horizons and to learn new things, and so when I saw the Teacher Institute, I thought, well, this would be a way for me to network with other teachers and see what kind of information I can bring back to my classroom.
The education staff of ABT is just amazing. You get more packed into 4 days than any other professional development that you'll ever attend, and everything's provided.
When I got involved with the American Battlefield Trust, the resources that they provided for me opened a platform for me to share this passion.
It's not often that you get 100+ people who love history and have a passion for it in the same room.
I get to be around enthusiastic teachers who are really trying to do the very best they can and understand the material as deeply as they can so that they can do justice to stories that they themselves love.
The trips are amazing because there are things that we maybe not only would gravitate towards on our own.
Been to Gettysburg many times, but never to Seminary Ridge. It was quite an experience, just walking up to the top, through the attic. Very memorable.
Goosebumps. To be able to stand where they were is just incredible. And so what I get to use in the classroom is not just the videos from the websites, but I actually get to show them where I was.
When we showed up here at Lee's headquarters, I've got the Gettysburg AR app. I'm right there with Longstreet and Robert E. Lee. For me, it's really exciting because it's one more way to bring it to life for our kids.
And it's just really realistic that you can see these men out here and what it would kind of be like.
I like the idea of bringing the excitement of Fort McHenry back home to kind of share that excitement with my kids.
It's a great way to illustrate how you make history come alive. You can come away hopefully inspired and excited about our country and its history. And
my favorite part is seeing the teachers network with each other and talk about what works in the classroom, and it's very gratifying to know what a huge percentage of those teachers are actually using American Battlefield Trust assets.
What this Teacher Institute is doing is bringing people together who have different approaches and different ideas and giving people an opportunity to coalesce around tools that will be successful.
Advice for any non-social studies teacher to come here and find a new experience which you can interdisciplinary connect with your staff.
Everybody remembers the teachers they had when they were young, especially that teacher who made a difference.
Our future leaders are sitting in your classrooms. Thank you. Please, please, please don't give up.
Forget the textbook. Here's the stories. And that's where the American Battlefield Trust have really helped me.